Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So here I am with a new video. So in this video I'm gonna clear all your queries regarding my full-time job and why I'm still working in Domino's even after completing my masters from University of Windsor. So I'm gonna explain all of these in this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start with a quick recap. I started my Master of Engineering in University of Windsor in 2019 January intake and I completed in this April 2020. So after that I applied for my work permit in last of April I think on 29th. So after applying for your work permit you can work full time. So everyone is asking me about, have you applied for your field job, you didn't get it, why are you still working under Domino's? So for me, first question is have you applied? I haven't applied to any job related to my field after completing my masters because I don't want to do that for now. As many of you have already know, I was working in Domino's for since I started my studies here from February. So it's been more than 1.5 years, and in last I was working as assistant manager, and after completing my masters I got an offer in London with the same employer to be a general manager in one of the store and managing the whole store by myself. So I like that idea and I think that for now that offer will be good for me. And after doing after working in Domino's and managing thing and being a manager, I realized that this is the thing I like, managing people and all that. So I want to be going a management. So I for starting, that was my plan. So I liked it in that way, managing thing and all. And after getting this offer as a general manager for now, so it was a good pay and all. So I liked the offer and I went for that. And why I'm not applying for the field job, because I realized that I will be managing whole store, so I will be learning more new things and how to run a business and all. So I like that idea. So maybe I think I can do more good in Domino's in a business wise in my future. Those are the future plans. There is no point of discussing those right now. So for I can say that now my old plans are related to Domino's. That's why I didn't apply for the field job. So you guys are no need to afraid if you think I didn't get a job in mechanical engineering, because I am not applying for any. That's why I didn't get it for now, as many of friends have already applied. Maybe they didn't get it till now, but 1 or 2 have already got the class B job. So if you keep trying you will get it, but it's also depend on your interest. Maybe you realize it later you don't want to do that, you want to do something else. This is the thing, after coming to Canada you are not afraid of doing whatever you are doing. So I'm not afraid of working Domino's or what the people gonna say. The thing is I like working there and there are future plans which I think will be good for me. That's why I'm still working in here. And pay wise also for now I think I'm getting as much as I need. So the regarding future plan I will be sharing it day by day as soon as I got something, because without fulfilling, or you can say I don't have anything to prove those plans until now, so there is no point of sharing those now. So in last, the moral of the story is I am working in Domino's because I want to, not I didn't get job in my field. So this is the scenario. Don't be afraid you will not get job after doing masters in Canada. It's totally depend on your caliber, as I always say. If you have it, you will get the job. So I'm looking future in Domino's. So let's see how it goes. It's all depend on my hard work and on go to. Let's see if everything goes well. So I'll be sharing with you guys by time. Until now, have patience. And regarding the work permit, I got the work permit 3 days ago. So I'm thinking about making a video regarding that because there was some confusion. So I will share that in the next video. So for now, bye. And if you still have any question, you can always ask on Instagram or in the comment section. And please do share and subscribe. That's the most important thing. See you guys in the next video.